Many entrepreneurs who turned to self-employment after being unable to secure government jobs despite their education are currently facing hardships due to the ongoing crisis. This was stated in an exclusive interview with proprietor of Pawoibi Noodles, Moirangtem Sobita alias Momon at Singjamay Maka Sorokhaibam Lekai today. Sobita highlighted that prior to crisis, their business model involved selling their noodles in hill areas, employing approximately 10 individuals and ensuring they'd receive adequate earnings. However, due to surge in prices, their profits have reduced. She expressed concern that if this trend continues, it could result in collapse of self-employment ventures and entrepreneurship. She emphasized that the government has not extended any assistance and urged them for intervention through the implementation of initiatives to support entrepreneurs by ensuring their survival during these challenging times.
Hoina noodles ki tawra igje chahi ani rom sure ilal lai ghabanina office kya laitre singman kari kara tharam banina mi tara muksui su base machine gi da parisina ani thaisida han ba khotpa tawrisina moi tare nipan na dum hale moi gi matik jana khoina khusuman piba ngamam base hojikti office kya laitra banina khoise watle piba ngamdre aduna akhona laingak tagi mating su suphang phangde lawbasu laite adubu matang sida khoina hainingina lan matung sida te khoise wara banina laingak na sum yin changhani hena pakthok chakthokna khoina suba ngamna ba mayam se khusuman piba ngamna ba haitare ko chise min changhani